guys, welcome back to the channel once again. Today is 18th of December, दिन है मंगलवार, सुबह के बज रहे हैं 6:45। सुबह सुबह उठ के आदमी क्या करता है? चाय पीता है। चलिए चाय बनाते हैं, बाकी बातें पीने बाद, मतलब चाय पीने बाद। हाँ भाई, कहाँ थे हम? तो आज हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं एक स्पेशल प्रोडक्ट के बारे में। अगेन पेड प्रमोशन नहीं है भाई, अपना आपका भाई सब कुछ फ्री में करता है। तो हमने कुछ ऑर्डर किया था कुछ दिनों पहले, आज वो फाइनली हमारे पास पहुंच गया है। तो कुछ नया आता है तो अनबॉक्सिंग तो बनता है, तो चलिए डायरेक्टली अनबॉक्सिंग करते हैं। So what we have here today with us is a new set of riding boots and I'm so excited about it. So this comes from the house of ORAZO, as you can see. So let's go ahead and unbox the shoe. So as you can see, the packing is pretty neat. So as you can see over here, this cost me around 3200. I got it from Amazon. You can get it from there as well. Now after the invoice, this is how the shoes or the boots come packed. So I'll take out both of them right now. This is the right sides and this one is the left one.
Save me, why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I do I, baby, why do I do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Now as you can see, these boots look very tough and they are made for city riding as well as for long riding halls. Now these boots come with steel inserts at the toe as well as the ankle, so it's pretty much a good riding boot. Looks very tough and you might be thinking that this would be very heavy, but you cannot imagine how light this is. And there is enough paddings on the ankles and the sole. I think it will be comfortable to wear as well, and it might take a while to break into the shoes, but after you do that it'll be pretty good to wear. That's what my bet is. So let's go ahead and wear it and check out how comfortable this is.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
So now comes the part where I chalk down the advantages which I noted during my first impressions of wearing these boots. First, wearing the boots is very easy. You can easily wear them with your gloves on and you do not have to remove your gloves anymore, because with laced boots you have to remove your gloves, then wear it, then again wear back your gloves in case you are stopping by somewhere. Second advantage is that these boots are pretty much going with the formal wear, so wearing it to office daily won't be a problem. So that's going to solve another problem for most of us riders who are working. And third advantage is that these boots are made out of leather and they protect you from the cold as well. Now I rode in the morning when it's chilling cold out there and I didn't feel my feet numb. So that's the third one. Fourth advantage is that you have those reflective stripes on the back of your ankle, which is very much required when you are riding during nights. I usually come from office during night time at 10 p.m. so it's very much essential, which increases my visibility to other drivers or riders back there. Now the fifth advantage is that these boots are water resistant. Mind you, not waterproof, these are water resistant. Now the sixth advantage is that they are protecting the feet very well. They have steel inserts on the toe as well as the ankle, so protection is not compromised at all. Last but not the least, the most important advantage of these boots are they are not expensive. At 3200 you are getting such a good package. So anyone who's betting to buy this shoe can definitely take my word and buy them without haste. Now the comprehensive review video will come after a few days after I get used to this. And mind you, breaking into this shoe might take a while, but after you do that, it's pretty comfortable. So I hope you like this video, and if you do so, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Biker Imperfect, and share your thoughts on the comment section below. So this is Biker Imperfect signing off. See you in the next video shortly. Stay tuned.